how to manage your portfolio on your account profile on Freelancer. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Freelancer. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go to freelancer.com. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top here, click on your name, and then click on this view profile option, and after you click on it, scroll down and you will find portfolio items. Click on manage from here, and as you can see, now all what you have to do is click on add portfolio if you want to add something from here, and here you go. You can add image, article, or code, or video, or audio, or others. After you finish editing the portfolio, click save, and everything's gonna be done. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.